So here we want to look at the solutions to problems in terms of series and parallel resistors. So when you look at these diagrams, you can actually see that two resistors of resistance 2 ohms are connected in series. And then the combination of these are what? In parallel with 3 other resistors. The combination of these 3 resistors here are in series with the 2 ohm resistors. So this is what we need to do. So how do we solve problems in this case? So for us to solve that, so we first of all resolve the parallel resistance resistors. So that is what we need to do first. So how do we do that? So we already know from our expressions that the total resistance of resistors in parallel is 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Why? Because we have 3 resistors in parallel. So that is why we have to do this way. So, okay, so here we have 1 over R is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. And that gives us 3 over 2. So when we cross multiply this, so we'll now have that R is equal to 2 over 3 ohms. So this is going to be our what? Combination of these 3 resistors. So what that actually means is that if we redraw this diagram now, so we'll now have 3 resistors in series. So, and this is 2 ohms, this is the 2 ohms, and then the combination of this is now 2 over 3 ohms, 2 over 3 ohms. 2 over 3 ohms. So that is the combination. So we will now solve this using the series formula. Now, using that, we have that R total is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so that means that R total is equal to R1 is 2 plus 2 plus 2 over 3. So we have to make all these fractions. So doing that, we have here the LCM is 3. Okay, so 1 dividing 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 dividing 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Then plus 3 dividing 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So adding this totally, we have 12 here. We have 14 over 3. So that means that R is equal to 14 over 3. And then we have 14 by 3 is 4 whole number 2 over 3 ohms. So, and this is the overall combination or the overall resistance of the resistors when you combine them. So it's always very simple when you do all these things. So very simple.